Hi, I'm going to show you how to make an oval base for baskets and bags, and this measured 11 inches by 3.5 inches, and I used an eye hook. You can go up or down on the hook size. I used medium worsted yarn. The pattern for this is down below. This video is from one of my bag videos, so the first part is only just for the oval base. If you want to watch more of the video, then I can link that video down below in the description. Okay, so it's 11 inches for an eye hook, and if you want to make it bigger, I just suggest you go up on the hook size. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to slip knot onto the hook and show you how to do this with double crochet and half double crochet, but I'm doing this in a half double crochet. So pull over, pull through, and you're going to create your chains. I did a chain count of 25 plus 2. Once you have your chain count, you're going to add your 2, but if it's a double crochet, you can add 3. Now in the third chain from the hook, I'm going to show you how you would just work a double crochet. You grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops, and then pull through 2 loops. But I'm going to do half double crochets. And because it's half double crochet, I'm working it in the second chain from the hook. And then I'm going to work a half double crochet in each chain across until I get to the end. So pull through all 3 loops for a half double crochet. The double crochet makes it bigger and a little bit looser. You can also do this with a single crochet as well. Single crochet, you could also do it from the second chain from the hook. Work this all the way until you get to the end. At the end, I'm going to work 5 half double crochet in the last chain. I'm not going to turn, I'm going to continue on to the next side. You can also do this for double crochets, work 5, and single crochet, work 5. I'm going to work 23 half double crochet until I get to the end. So work your half double crochet in each stitch across until then. In the last stitch, I'm going to work 4 half double crochet. You can always place the video in slow motion if you need to, or pause it. Now slip stitch to complete. Then chain 2 and work 3 half double crochet in the same stitch. Now work a half double crochet for the next 24 stitches until you get close to the end on this one row here. Now work 2 half double crochet in the next 6 stitches. Now work a half double crochet in the next 21 stitches until you get to the end, close to the end. Work 2 half double crochet in the next 5 stitches. Okay, now slip stitch. This round is an additional round if you like to add a bigger base. You don't have to, you can stop here and then start with the puff stitches for the purse. That's what I did, is I started on the puff stitch and stopped. But just to show you one more round for the base for an increase, you're going to add 3 half double crochet. Then you're going to half double crochet 28 more stitches until you get to the end center. So 28 more after the 3 and work your way down. Now you're here after 28 and you're going to work 2 half double crochet, then 1 half double crochet, and then 2, and this is 9 stitches, so 1 and then 2, and I did a stitch marker of 9 stitches, so it's alternating between 1 and 2. So that's 2 and then 1 half double crochet, then 2, and then 1, and then 2. You can use a stitch marker of counting 9 stitches after your 28. And then work 27 half double crochet until you get close to the end. In the last 5 stitches, you're going to work 2 half double crochet, and then 1 half double crochet, and then 2, and then 1, and then 2. And then you're going to slip stitch, and you can keep adding increase rounds, but after this round you're just going to chain 2 and then work half double crochets all the way around. So the last round before the puff stitches, you're going to slip stitch, and then you chain 2, work a half double crochet in the same stitch, and then a half double crochet in each stitch around, and then slip stitch at the end, and then you can start the rounds of puff stitches.